DJM TV.
More wahala for former Imo State Governor Rochas Okorocha. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this video, my betalicious somebody. I welcome you to DJM TV Daily News Update. That place where you for the get more update on the breaking and happening stories around Nigeria and all around the world. The matter wey dey for ground, so now something we don't come up before, so this not like follow up or wetin dey happen. If I remember closely, we tell us something about the arrest of the former Imo State Governor by the present Governor, Hope Uzodinma. When it was when they seal up the Royal Palm Hotel, we belong to the wife of Rochas Okorocha, will be the former governor of Imo State and presently the senator for Imo State. They seal up the place. Former governor go there with the people, say lie, we no go agree. They try to open the place up. In fact, that thing no go well at all because former Imo State Governor called end up for police custody. In fact, he go police station for questioning. And then after that one, they charge the matter to court not too long. And everybody will follow and go for that waka. They slam them. 5 million naira bail. Not be released or bail. Just to go as first. All of them to pay 5 million naira. And that one amount to over 30 million naira as fine for going to remove the seal where government put for the hotel. In order to take, before we know again, Hope Uzodinma come out with another one. He sent people go one of the radio station where belong to the daughter of the senator. He said they go there, they go demolish the building down. Same boys go demolish the building down. So what happen? He just say the building they block the government access way. Say that building they road. Now road the road supposed to link to somewhere. Say the building they block road. Say so maybe they go demolish that building down like ASAP. Now when news people reach there, they see the building not even there for along road, you know they along express, the building there for inside close. Ending on streets. The street never get where they connect to. Now that place na the building day. Yet the governor Hope Uzodinma say that building day for access road for Imo State, and as such, may they go demolish that building. They say I say plenty wahala don dey day. I tell her before say I say bad blood dey between these two people. Although say Okorocha now hand over to Hope Uzodinma. Wahala dey. The thing now e get as e be. The bad blood they between two of them. Something they underground and never they tell us. Now, the one way they be the cocoa again. After that demolish the radio station, no. The one way be the cocoa again now. So they talk so. Be say the clash between the governor of Imo State, Hope Uzodinma, and the predecessor, Rochas Okorocha, will still be service senator. He bless say just a start. Because now the state government don't list more than 10 properties where Okorocha gets. He thought say he acquire am under corruption, and as such the state will recover and come up for his hands. In fact, big people inside the government, inside the Imo State government, now they come as I got to say, Hope Uzodinma don't get Oga Bubu go ahead with the trial of Okorocha and the state government, so that they will recover several properties from the senator hands. In the sense so Hope Uzodinma don't go, don't meet her, say Oga Bubu, I won't fight corruption for my state, and I won't start with a serving senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will be Rochas Okorocha. He get many property, more than 10, when he acquire corruptly, and as such, we go come out for the hand. The thing now that they cause wahala. I believe say now, Rochas Okorocha blood pressure don dey high. Now, we need to know what it be say. Rochas Okorocha get foundation where they take care of people for the state. They get schools where they offer free education. Many of all the students don't come out and say, I beg go, may they leave their benefactor. Sending to the do Rochas Okorocha and they do it to say because that guy now they help them. If not be for the man, if not for the senator. Say many of them not for finite they call school. Many of them not for even see inside the four walls of of university. Now they wan destroy the man, they wan bring the man down. Abeg o, dem dey beg say make dem leave Rochas Okorocha alone. But the government no wan hear. Dem don demolish Reach FM. Dem don dey go for the next 10 properties. Dis man, dem wan give am heart attack. Now Rochas Okorocha don come outside come talk say e know why Hope Uzodinma dey do all these things wey e dey do. He say dem dey attack am because of hatred, say dem hate im progress, dem no like am, dem dey form another. He say that radio station wey dem demolish, so the fence and the gate wey dem put down, so say na yet another war of evil and conspiracy against am. Now many people don come outside. The commissioner for lands for Imo State, Chief Enyinnaya, don come outside come talk say the fence and the gate dey for road. Say why the building was acquired, the land was acquired by the senator 25 years ago, and subsequent administration never raise issue about the property where the radio station dey. Why come be say na Hope Uzodinma time na dem come dey talk say the fence, the gate, dem dey road, make una pull am down. All these jigbiti wey dem dey do now, Okorocha don come out and come talk say na because dem no like im progress. Dem dey surprise say im dey progress. The more e dey do am, the more im dey progress. E say na make Hope Uzodinma dey attack am. Many people don come outside come talk say dis thing wey e dey do Rochas Okorocha, e no good. Although some of dem dey talk say e good o, make dem arrest am, make dem do this one, make dem do that one. Some people dey say yes, Hope Uzodinma is fighting corruption in Imo State. In fact, he's a good advocate of no to corruption. But the truth of the matter be say somebody come outside and say Hope Uzodinma and Rochas Okorocha na two Yahoo boys wey come find their way to leadership. That was funny. But as a matter of fact, the way the whole thing dey be now, Hope Uzodinma don come outside and say he no get anything against Rochas Okorocha. Say him dey only dey act upon the judicial panel wey dem established by the former governor Emeka Ihedioha. He say dis na the things wey already put on ground before. Him dey only dey try to establish those judicial resolution. Say that they go ahead to recover the assets from Okorocha. Say well, there's no form of alarm when go stop the state government from recovering the assets from the present senator. So say e not get into anybody want talk, they go comot these things for this guy hand, they go comot am. Now how you see this matter? What do you get to talk about this thing? More call a political struggle between Rochas Okorocha and his successor Hope Uzodinma. Because first of all start with seal up the hotel. Okorocha say, why will you do that? You can't do that to a city senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He go break and they arrest him. The next how many days they go break perimeter fence, demolish radio station, pursue all the people come up for them. Now they don't talk again, say they are out to recover all the stolen assets where Okorocha get. Say in fact, everything Okorocha get in steal am from Imo State. Well, some Imo State people don't come out and say yes, Okorocha na thief. Some others say no, Okorocha no be thief. Okorocha na be one of the best governor wey they don't ever get, and so they talk. That be one of the best governor wey they don't ever get, based on the many legacy then when he live for ground and things then when he still they do. Now, the Imo State House of Assembly member, one Mr. Kanayo Oyemachi, don't call on EFCC to arrest Rochas Okorocha. The lawmaker thought say EFCC need to seriously scrutinize the 8-year tenure of Okorocha, say because many things they forget when they go discover. He talking some way they react to claim say na Okorocha talking na him be the owner of Eastern Palm University, of which they say na Imo State government fund they take build down. Now he say for Western countries, people like Okorocha supposed to dey for prison by now for leadership rascality. Okpoyibo. He expressed shock, say why Okorocha go lay claim to university wey belong to the state. Well, not forget, so Okorocha come out and say that university na private partnership program na dem take build am. That's to say Imo State governor get for inside, private company get for inside. Oh, and by the way, the private company na him get am. So na Rochas Foundation na him partner with Imo State government. They come build the Eastern Palm University. Now they say this thing wey Okorocha dey talk, e no just as in e no make sense. E don say make Hope Uzodinma look into this matter well, and na this thing na make they wan even take over one of the properties of Okorocha, when be the Rochas College of Africa (ORGI) and the Okorocha Sabbath Estate. All this one join the things wey the government say they wan claim, say because na Imo State money na they wan take, na they take do am. Now the Imo State House of Assembly don approve, say make dem change the name of Eastern Palm University to K.O. Madiwe University. Okorocha say laye, it's not happening. Not in his time. Say go court for this matter. My people, this thing e don dey comot for tete, e don dey comot for small pikin play, for clap, don dey enter dance. The thing don dey serious. Every day that new ones dey come up, the matter don dey serious. How you see this matter? Shook your mouth put. This political rascality, as they call am, between these two people, e go affect. They say when two elephants dey fight, na ground dey suffer am. How you see am? E go affect people. Abi e good sef make Hope Uzodinma confiscate Okorocha property? If I make EFCC even call cash am, e good abi e no good? Well, this na still DJM TV daily news update, where we dey give una the correct gist dem. Now, after this whole gist like this, so you never see subscribe to this channel, I beg you are standing on a long thing. Click the subscribe button, like the video, share the video, and if as you don't subscribe, so touch that bell for there when near the subscribe, so that every time we drop news, you go know say something does show for here. Till we come your way again, my name still remain Lawuro Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.